Hello friends, so as promised I am here for a special NIMHANS course for all of you. Because of the huge demand, I have come up with a special program which can help you for all your NIMHANS problem. Now before telling you the details of this course, now let us understand that why the NIMHANS exam is slightly different from our other PG entrance exam. Now NIMHANS, as we all know, is the premier institute for all those people who have an inclination towards the neurological part, which may be the medical part of the neurology or the surgical part of the neurology and the psychiatry. So we know that for the medicos there are three basic courses that we have in NIMHANS. We have got an MD in psychiatry, we have got a 6-year direct program for DM neurology and a DM neurosurgery, and the NIMHANS conduct the exam in the last week of March, which is a separate exam from the central institutes and the NEET paper. Now the exam pattern is a pretty different pattern, and the unique part of this particular pattern that it keeps on changing. Now if you look at the AIMS pattern, the other patterns, they are more or less similar in the last so many years, but NIMHANS is one exam that they keep on changing the pattern. Sometimes even the number of questions keeps on changing. So they have not yet announced the new year or this year pattern, but usually it doesn't change on year basis. So what I am telling you on the basis of the last year, so the last year we have got 100 questions in the NIMHANS and 70 questions from the general MBBS, whereas the 30 questions is a specialist paper, and as of the NEET it is a 1/4 negative marking. Not too many books are available in the market specifically for the preparation of the NIMHANS, but here I have customized a course for you. Not just me, are all faculties which are specifically the things which are asked have come together. We had a great discussion that how we will structure this course for all of you. So first of all, that point that I want to tell you here is that please remember that though NIMHANS is predominantly neurology or neurosurgery, it is not only neurology and the neurosurgery. The 70 marks paper is a general paper. So in order to cater to all those needs, but still all that general paper is again more towards the neurology. So let's look at the specific aspects of the NIMHANS paper that you have to do and how I can help you in that. So let's look at the special DBMCI NIMHANS course 2019. So if you see this, now first of all, this is the first and the only course that will be available on our new eGurukul app. So it will be a online course, not on a specific day. You will be able to see this at your smartphone whenever or wherever you want. So this is a DBMCI NIMHANS 2019 course, and what I will be doing is it's a video course which you can download on your smartphone. We will be covering neuroanatomy, neurophysiology, neuropharmacology, psychiatry, neurology, neuroradiology, neuropathology, and last but not the least, neurosurgery. Okay, so these are the 8 special topics that will be covered in these video lectures. The total duration of the course would be approximately 70 hours, and I can assure you that these 70 hours will be a game changer in your preparation of the NIMHANS exam. Now if you see that we have taken the input of lot of toppers in the last few years, that we used to conduct a separate live course at Bangalore, but then we realized that there is a need at pan India level for the NIMHANS, and rather than conducting it in a particular city, let's give the advantage of this course to pan India students, and that is why we have come up this video course, which will be extremely useful for all of you. Apart from these 70 hours, now you will be given the questions, which is our prototype, the special by our extreme esteemed faculties that we have. Now we have Dr. Thamim, who will be taking care of the neurology part, Dr. Jay, who will be taking care of surgery, I myself will be taking care of the radiology, Dr. Praveen, and many more. Whichever you feel is the best in that particular field will be available for you to take care of your neurological part of this exam. Apart from this, we will be having dedicated questions, predictable questions that will be given to you. So I will be giving you 50 predictable questions from each subject, including neuroanatomy, physiology, pharmacology, radiology, and pathology. So 50 questions with detailed explanations and answers will be given to you. Apart from this, 4 mock tests on the current NIMHANS pattern will be provided to you, which will be 70 questions from the general MBBS and 30 questions from the specialist subject that you are planning to do, which includes psychiatry, neurology, and neurosurgery. Apart from this, you will be allowed to appear for one pan-India NIMHANS mock test. One pan-India NIMHANS mock test that will also be a part of this particular course, which will be conducted on 15th March. So on 15th March, we will be conducting a pan-India NIMHANS mock test, and I can tell you that the rank will be the simulated in the real NIMHANS exam without a doubt. Okay, so these are the things that I have. But what more? One more thing, that we will be providing you a booklet with all the images and questions. So all the images and the questions will be provided to you in a booklet format for the easy revision. Okay, so these are the things that will be provided to you in the NIMHANS course, and I can tell you that is more than sufficient to address to your extra need of the neurological part that is required for the NIMHANS. Having said that, I will also suggest you to stay focused, because the 70 part is your general MBBS also. So be thorough with the DBMCI notes that you have prepared in your the previous NEET preparation or the AIMS preparation that you were doing, and you will definitely get a success in the NIMHANS exam. If you have any comments or anything that you want me to add into the course, I'll be more than happy to add that. This course will be launched on 25th January on our app. 25th January is the time that you can message us on our Facebook Premier group or on our DBMCI helpline for the more details of this particular course. Get enrolled as early as possible and get benefited. I wish you all the best for the exam.